Good morning, dear students. Welcome to GK class. Today we will learn about cyber security. Cyber security is very important when you use computers. Threat in the context of computer security refers to anything that has the potential to cause serious harm to a computer system. Threats can lead to attacks on computer systems, networks, and more. Let's know more about them. But before that, let's learn how to protect our confidential information. For that, you should always build strong passwords. Avoid using computers in public. Use multi-factor authentication. Avoid free, open Wi-Fi and hotspot as they all lead to data loss. Let's move to the exercise. Dash is harmful for a computer. Everyone knows about the virus. Virus is very harmful for a computer as well as human being, as we all are in our houses due to coronavirus. Dash gets activated every Friday that occurs on the 13th of a month. It is Jerusalem virus. This virus gets activated only on that 13th date of the month, which falls on Friday. The next question. Dash is a program that displays online advertisement in a banner on the web page. The answer is adware. As the name suggests, ad for advertisement. So adware is a program that displays online advertisement in a banner on the web page. Dash is a type of verification. The correct answer is CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA is a code which is a combination of numbers or letters or only numbers or letters, which is used as a type of verification. You might have seen a CAPTCHA code when you try to enter any website or try to log in that. So CAPTCHA is a type of verification. Dash hackers are often referred to as ethical hackers. The correct answer is white hat. White hat hackers are those hackers which are known as ethical hackers. The next question. Dash establishes a barrier between a trusted internal network and untrusted external network such as the internet. So this barrier does not allow any untrusted network to have access on our system. The correct answer is firewall. Phishing can often lead to identification theft. So, identification theft is caused by phishing. So now we are aware of many terms related to cybercrime. But what must be done if cybercrime happens? In case of any cybercrime, you should immediately report the matter to either parents or school authorities. To know more about cyber law or to register a complaint, you can visit the site of cybercrimehelpline.com. For your convenience, the link is given in your book as well as here. So you can use this link to register any complaint or know more about the cyber crime. So be aware of it.